Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today we continue with the new card toppers and we take a closer look at the flower cups and the flower mail. So let's get started. So let us start with the flower mail, and here we have this pack with 10 envelopes stuffed with beautiful flowers. And if you remember, we had those during Christmas time. These were Christmas envelopes, and now we have them right here for spring, and they're called flower mail. So beautiful envelopes with flowers. I took a couple out so you can take a look. This is how they come. You take out the 3 layers from each pack, and here is the base layer. Look at this beautiful envelope with the daisies and the butterfly. Then with foam pads you add a second layer. There we go, and then we have another flower. So what you can do is you can also stretch this by just using this piece, or maybe this, because that belongs, is not a standalone piece. So you could use 2 and then maybe use this flower for the inside of your card, or maybe in a corner, so you can stretch it a little bit. But take a closer look what is in here, and then I'll show you the cards that I have created with these beautiful card toppers. And you can see also the light glitter. Let me see if it picks it up, but there is some glitter on here, very lightly, so not too overwhelming. And here is my first card. So this time I made square cards, and with this really simple, this is a top folding white square card. The background paper comes from a new paper pack, and it's called The Beautiful Garden. I'm going to flip through it in a second. Then one of my doilies and this beautiful topper. The birthday wishes is a stamp that I have, and this little cutout I just created. This was a Michael's paper pad, a 6x6 paper pad, where I cut it out, and then I just used my hole punch and put these corners so it has this ticket style appearance. Happy birthday, but this could be obviously a Mother's Day card as well. So this beautiful background paper, and you can see how it is muted, but it's just gorgeous, comes from this new paper pack, and it's called The Beautiful Garden, Precious Marika. So we have 23 double-sided sheets in here, and they are 6x6. And you can look through it. This is a pack that I have already started, so it's not total complete, but we can still look really quick what we have in here. So just that you get an idea what comes in this beautiful pack. So as you can see, it's double-sided. There are also matching die cut sheets that I have created card with, and you will see them next week. So, but yeah, it's a different pack. You can see the colors are very natural and muted. It's not very bright, so it's not prominent when you put it on the card, but it's just gorgeous as a background paper. Let's see what the back side looks here. Okay, so each sheet is in here, I think 3 times. We already looked at this. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful papers if you are looking for more 6x6 papers. And yeah, stay tuned for this next video where I made cards just with these papers and the die cut packs. Okay, so The Beautiful Garden, and here is the card. And then I also made matching envelopes with my VR Memory Keepers envelope tool, and these papers are from the Paper Boutique that I have shared with you in the prior week. So remember, there was a lot of paper in these paper packs, so perfect for making envelopes as well. Here is my second card. For this card, I used a background paper that I got from Michaels. They have these new paper packs with specialty paper, solid papers, and then a couple of prints. And this is one of their prints. What I have used here, it looks like it just has, it doesn't really pick it up. It is a little shimmery, and I tried out a new product, and that is the spray. Yeah, it's the Clear Shimmer Spray by Avery L. And that's what I have used here. You just shake it and then spritz it all over your paper, and you can make your own specialty paper. So it's not glittery. Does it say glitter on here? It says shimmer spray. Yeah, that's what it is. It gives a shimmer appearance. So that's what I used on this paper. Outlined it with just peel-off stickers. Here's this beautiful envelope with the pansies. Same stamp, same doily, and a couple of butterflies makes this card, I think, just a gorgeous card for any occasion. And then here is my matching envelope from the Paper Boutique pack, and I will link it below. And then I made one more card with those flower envelopes, flower mail, and here it is. This background again comes from the paper pack I have just shared. It's got some polka dots, and then this lily, a butterfly, and the Thinking of You is from the sticker pack, the sentiment sticker pack, and I think it's called the Floral Muse. And if I still have it in my shop, I will link it below. But this is just a sticker pack with just nothing but sentiments, but already decorated, and I think it just worked out so well. I also used tag here from a tag pad. I want to say I got also at Michael's many moons ago, so this is probably no longer available, but I had it in my stash and it's time to use it up, and here it is. But there's more. We have the flower cups. We're going to take a closer look. 10 beautiful teacups filled with nothing but gorgeous flowers and birds and butterflies. So wonderful. I haven't really seen anything like this anywhere, so I'm very happy to have that in my shop and be able to craft with them. So here are just a couple of close-ups. Look at this gorgeous cup. Little glitter on here, butterflies, birds. Here is another one, and you can see there's even a gold edge to the saucer. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful embellishments. And here are the cards I made. Here is my first one. Again, same thing, I made this whole set in square cards. Now let me see what the size is. I forgot now. So they are 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. So the envelope is 5 by 5. And of course I made the envelope with my VR Memory Keepers envelope tool. But yeah, here, let's take a look at this one. I used as background paper also Recollections pack from last year. It had this gilding on it. Love that look. Have this beautiful teacup here with the butterfly with love from the same sticker pack we just took a look. And then here this beautiful corner piece is a sticker that comes from a sticker sheet. I have it here in the sky blue, and these sticker sheets have different corners in different sizes. I know it's very blingy, but they are available in different colors as a multi-pack, but also as single packs in different sizes as well in my shop, and I will link them below. But just one will do the trick and gives it a nice offset to this corner that has the gilding in there. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, that is to me a Mother's Day card that makes sense. So if my mom would be still alive, this is the card that she would get. So then I made a matching envelope, same paper pack, the Paper Boutique Sweet Tweets, and it has these butterflies, and I made this card, and look how nice it looks. And then I have one more for you, and here it is. So another gorgeous teacup, beautiful flowers. Oh, by the way, those butterflies here, those little glittery butterflies, they will be coming to my store probably in June. I just had this one pack as a sample, and I love them. These are stickers. They are already dimensional, and I have ordered them, but it takes a while to get here, so they'll probably be available somewhere in June, and I will let you know. But I like the size. They are so small so that it looks just like they belong to these beautiful flowers. Yeah, very, very pretty flowers. Here I just used one piece of background paper from the same Michael's Recollection paper pack, a little bit of gold mirror cardstock to offset it and give it some extra bling. Just for you is a stamp, and it all sits on a doily, on a paper doily. And then there is the matching envelope with those cute bows. Here are all the cards again. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you liked my cards, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. Also, these cards are up for grabs for a very discounted price. If you like them, I link it below. So thank you again for watching my video. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time with more cards. Bye bye.